Hello, everybody. We are at PHP Tech 2009, and I just managed to corner somebody else and ask them some questions. So please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Arbi Arzoumani, and I'm currently the publisher of PHP Architect and Python Magazine.
So wait, MTA is more than just Marco?
Oh, yes.
Oh. Okay. So what do you do? You publisher? What does that entail?
I'm basically manage all the editors in chief, and on top of that, I do all the layout for the magazine, all the graphic work, anything I do from proofing the magazine, seeing the proofs, signing off on the proofs, and ordering the print copies, and make sure it gets to the distributors. From distributors, it gets subscribers. Since April 2009, it went to the newsstands.
Oh, excellent. So when we get that issue in our mailbox every month, that's your doing?
Yes.
Or you're the one that gets to sign off on it? It's a lot of people's doing, but...
It's a lot of people, yeah. The distribution starts from Chicago, actually.
Great. So we're in Chicago. We're at PHP Tech 2009. This is what? How many techs have you done now?
This is the fourth tech, I believe.
How many conferences has MTA done in general?
In total, we've done, including this one, 13 conferences.
Wow. All over North America, right?
Yes and no. The first one was went all the way to Bermuda. It was PHP Cruise.
Wow.
It was an ambitious conference, given it was the first one, and it was a challenge. It was. We just wanted to see how it would work out, and we learned a lot from that. I mean, anything from that, it was kind of easy at that point.
So what things? So you've learned a lot from doing all these conferences. What things did you expect to go poorly this week, but you were surprised when they went well?
We went. Let's see. What's the thing that we thought it would go well?
Has anything gone well?
It has. Oh yeah, quite a few things gone well.
Okay,
the one
just
thing
checking.
that I think hasn't gone well, I think, is the internet a bit. That's always a challenge. Every conference, that's the hardest thing to do. It's just number of people, the layout of the hotel, all the routers, the connection itself. A lot of stuff has to work together. The hotel itself was pretty good. The registration process was very good. The talks, the speakers, everything was on time. Actually, scheduling was one of my concerns. Make sure everything's on time, because anything goes wrong, everything kind of falls behind. So that went well. The food has been pretty good, and sponsors have been really great. And what else can I say?
So did everything's gone pretty well, with the exception of some internet issues?
Oh yeah, I would say
everyone sort of expects that.
Satisfaction.
90%, excellent.
Personally.
Okay, so I suppose you're thinking about PHP Tech again at some point?
Definitely.
So so we are actually, let's see, today is what, May 21st, 2009. When do you guys actually start planning Tech?
We picked a date first, the week, the conference, and from there we work backwards.
Okay.
The first thing that goes up, obviously, is the announcement, and with that goes with the logo,
but the tagline. The announcement starts when?
The announcement's usually 6 months.
6 months in advance. So last November. Oh, yeah, it was at PHP Works that you announced it.
Yes.
So, but most of the planning was already done by then.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, the contracts were signed, the location was picked.
We picked the location and the date. We make sure the date's available. And
so when did you do that? Like October?
That was done in September.
September. So you're saying that 4 months from now you'll start planning next year?
Yep.
Wow, that's impressive. Wow, that's impressive. I'm not sure what else to say to that one.
Marco usually picks up the phone and makes a few calls in terms of hotel.
Okay.
That's usually the first thing that gets the ball rolling.
Wow. So you get a few months off from worrying about this one, and in the meantime, whatever is happening in the fall, which we can't discuss yet, is underway.
It is underway.
So you really don't have much time off there.
No. The next event is definitely a time crunch for us.
And with that, I think we'll have to end this because the next event is, I believe, being announced tomorrow at the closing keynote and some other stuff. And stay tuned to the PHP Architect website for more details. And we're signing off from PHP Tech 2009. Thank you, Arbi.
Thank you.